He's Zach.
He's Jesse.
And we're Montreal Contractors. Come take a look at this beautiful main floor that we renovated here in Beaconsfield.
For the countertop, we went with a beautiful quartz that has a lot of movement in the vein, and we wrapped it all the way up the wall so that we have a nice clean backsplash behind the stove. Makes it very easy for cleaning and maintenance in the future.
We put in this beautiful 6-burner monogram cooktop that is gas converted to propane, and my favorite feature of it has to be this little accent light.
We kept the counters clutter-free by using this cute little appliance garage with the pocketing doors that keeps all of this busy stuff out of the way. Nobody likes to see rusted old vents on their floor, so we decided to camouflage that and integrate it into the cabinetry to give a nice seamless finish.
We brought a lot of classic design elements into this kitchen, including things like farmhouse sink, multi-format tile, and an archway.
Just outside the powder room, we have the mud room. We also went with custom cabinets here, but we kept the elements really simple so that it's its own defined space without taking away from the kitchen.
Small powder room is always a great place to go bold. In this one, we decided to do custom wainscoting on the bottom half with wallpaper on the top half, and then a nice dark ceiling to match the paint color on that wainscoting.
So if you're looking for a turnkey service and you need a contractor to design, execute, and build your project, call Montreal Contractors today and we'd be happy to help.